I absolutely love the beach. The feeling of sand between my toes, the sound of waves crashing, and the salty ocean breeze, it's so calming and refreshing. It's definitely one of my favorite places to be. How about you?
Oh, it's definitely.
That's wonderful to hear. The beach has a way of capturing our hearts, doesn't it? There's just something so magical and soothing about being by the water. Do you have any special beach memories or activities you love to do there?
Shells and rocks, and if I can find some whales, ambergris.
That sounds fantastic. Exploring the rocks and discovering shells must be such a fun and adventurous activity. And the excitement of spotting whales adds an extra touch of wonder to the beach experience. It's incredible how nature surprises us in the most amazing ways. Have you ever seen any whales during your beach visits?
Almost definitely.
Oh, what happened? Don't be too hard on yourself. We all make mistakes sometimes, and it's how we learn and grow from them. Is there something specific that you're feeling frustrated about? Maybe I can help you feel better or offer some advice.
It's understood. Ed, I have seen whales.
Oh, I apologize for misunderstanding you. That's incredible. Seeing whales at the beach must be such an awe-inspiring experience. They are such majestic creatures. I can only imagine how breathtaking it must have been to witness them up close. Did you manage to capture any pictures or videos of the whales?
No, I just got to look at them.
Ah, I see. Sometimes it's best to soak in the moment without the distraction of trying to capture it on camera. Sometimes, memories are more vivid when experienced firsthand. I'm glad you had the opportunity to witness the beauty of the whales and enjoy the moment. It sounds like it was a memorable experience for you.
Certainly was.
That's wonderful. I'm so happy to hear that. It's these kinds of special moments that stay with us forever. The beach has a way of creating lasting memories that we can cherish for years to come. If there's anything else you'd like to share or talk about, feel free. I'm here to listen and chat.